This video from Sharp, we're taking a quick look at the error message ESD02 on the XEA137 register. This is quite a specific error message. It basically means you're trying to export sales data to a write protected SD card. So the way the machine works is you can run or back up your sales data reports to an SD card, provided that the SD card has been formatted and is not write protected. If it's write protected, you'll get this error message. So all you need to do is to remove your SD card, then depending on the make, so this is a SanDisk, most SD cards will have a little thing here. You can, if it's set to down, this tab, you can toggle it up and down, and if it's set down, it means the SD card is write protected, so you can't save any data to it. If you change it, pop the card back in, clear the error message, and then run your report again. So for the standard sales report, it's subtotal 650, receipt switch, subtotal, and then TLNS. You'll get the SD access message appear, and then a flashing dot at the end. This means that the till is happy with the card, and it will now send the sales data to the card. Okay, hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XEA137 and other Sharp cash registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.